Recovering deleted messages on Skyscanner can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check the app's trash or deleted items. Many apps have a trash or deleted items folder where deleted messages are temporarily stored. Open Skyscanner and look for any such option in the settings or message section. Step 2. Review your email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled, check your email for any messages from Skyscanner. You may find important information or confirmations that were sent to your email. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages in the app or your email, reach out to Skyscanner's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you need help recovering. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly back up your device, check your backups to see if the messages were included. Restore your device from the most recent backup that contains the messages. Step 5. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Skyscanner app. Sometimes, updates can fix bugs or issues that may prevent you from accessing certain features, including message recovery. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages on Skyscanner. If all else fails, consider keeping a regular backup of important messages in the future.